Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how copy text from Chatgpt to Word without background. So let's get started. First of all, I give a command to Chatgpt. As you see, it's generating for me. Once it generated, copy it. Open Word and paste it. As you can see, there is a background. Now I will show you the little thing to get rid of this background. Open Chatgpt. At the bottom of the text that Chatgpt generated, you can see an icon. It may be on the top of the text. Click to copy it. Then open Word and paste it. And as you can see, it is without background. Now, hopefully you have learned how to copy text from Chatgpt to Word without background. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.